Hello everyone, I am Sunana and in this video I will show you how to make blue curacao lemonade using homemade blue curacao syrup. So let's jump into the recipe. For the syrup, take an orange and zest it up completely. Since I don't have a zester, I am using a vegetable peeler to peel the upper layer of the orange. An important note here, please don't peel the white layer of the orange as it is bitter in taste and will spoil the taste of syrup. After peeling the upper orange layer, slice the peels into thin pieces like this. Now place a pan on stove and take 1 cup of sugar. To this, add 1 cup of water. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add about 2 to 3 half inch of cinnamon sticks to it. Then add the orange zest. Let the mixture boil for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. The orange zest and cinnamon will release their flavors. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to it. Now for the blue color, add 2 drops of blue gel food color. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now take it down from the stove and let it completely cool down. After the syrup has completely cooled down, strain it and transfer it into a container. Our homemade blue curacao syrup is ready. For making lemonade, take a few lemon slices and 4 to 5 mint leaves in a glass. Muddle them till the lemon juice blends with the mint leaves. Add ice cubes as per your preference. Then add 3 tablespoons of the curacao syrup. Pour some Sprite. You may also use plain soda instead of Sprite. Give it a good mix. Garnish it with a lemon slice. And your refreshing blue curacao lemonade is ready to serve. Here is the ingredients list for your reference. If you like this recipe, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thanks for watching.